In front of me is TECLAST T60, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into tab menu and looking for auto rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black, which means that auto rotation is off. To switch it back on, click on the same one. If you want to, you can also go into settings, hit the display section and scroll all the way down. Then use this switcher next to auto rotate screen feature to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!